What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here with a little video on average rate of change in a few different scenarios. We got some functions, we got a graph, we got a table, and a lovely word problem. I mean, who doesn't love word problems? All right, functions first. So for this one here, we got negative 2/3 and then parentheses x plus 5. Well, if I were to write this in slope-intercept form, I would just distribute, right? And my slope would be my average rate of change. I'm not even going to write that out. My AROC, my average rate of change, is negative 2/3. That's my slope, baby. That's my slope. All right, first one, done. Beautiful. Next one, I already got it in slope-intercept form. Easy to spot, right? If I had a couple x's, I'd have to combine them, and then I have my AROC, but my AROC here, my average rate of change, is 6 for this one. Beautiful, excellent, and fantastic. All right, moving on. Moving on. We got the pink one here. I'm going to change markers. I'm going to go with neon, yellow. Cool. All right. So for the table here, again, we're thinking average rate of change is basically our slope, right? So how much am I changing by? Well, my x's are changing by 1. Slope is rise over run. I'm going to write that down. Rise, run. Well, my x is my run, right? So my run is currently 1. My rise, let's see here, I'm going down by 10, down by 10, down by 10. So negative 10. So negative 10 is my AROC. AROC is negative 10 for this one. Cool. Awesome. Next one over here. We got ourselves a beautiful graph, okay? So average rate of change, slope, rise over run. How much am I rising? Well, let's see here. I'm going up and over. Looks like I'm going up 1, 2, 3. And I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4. Fun fact, that little thing right there, that's a construction thing. That's how they show slope. For people that are in the trades, maybe framing a roof or whatever, they do a little like L-shaped thing, or not really an L anymore, but whatever. Like that. Cool. That was just exciting for me. Okay. Slope here. So my AROC, my average rate of change for this one is positive 3/4. Cool. If that line was going down and to the right, it'd be negative 3/4. But it's going up and it's going to the right. Both those are positive. So it's a positive rate of change, 3/4. All right. Next one. Last one. At home, you track your height on the wall. We did ours in the pantry, right? I was always trying to see how tall I was getting. There wasn't a whole lot of change there. My average rate of change was rather low. I'm a short dude. All right. At age 4, you were 39 inches tall, and at age 10, you were 57 inches tall. What is your average rate of change in height per year? Okay, so at age 4, you were 39 inches, and at age 10, you were 57 inches. Okay. So how are we doing this? We're doing height per year, right? So it should really be height over years. Okay. So my change in height. So let's see here. Let's say we'll start with our later on one. 57 minus 39 over 10 minus 4. So 57 minus 39, is that 18, right? So that's going to be 18 over 10 minus 4 is 6. Ooh, very good. So we get 3 for our inches per year. So let's write that out. 3 inches per year. There we go. And if we were to count that out, at 39 you'd be at 42, right? Then 45, then 48, 51, then we have 54, then 57. Boom, there we are, right? Beautiful. Awesome. Fantastic. That's dope. All right. So average rate of change, a few different scenarios. We can ask you in all sorts of different ways. They can even get into like curves and say like, what's the average rate of change between these 2 points? Same kind of idea here. But that's dope. Awesome and fantastic.